Welcome students. Our next practical is experiment number 15. Title is assay of calcium gluconate. आपण लास्ट टाइम मॅग्नेशियम सल्फेट बघितलेला होता, हायड्रोजन पेरॉक्साईड बघितला होता. आता 15 नंबरचा एक्सपेरिमेंट आहे आपला कॅल्शियम ग्लुकोनेटचा, बरोबर. आता ही पण लास्ट टाइम मॅग्नेशियम सल्फेटचा आपला झालेला आहे एक्सपेरिमेंट, त्यानुसारच त्याचा प्रिन्सिपल राहणार आहे. इट इज दिस assay is based upon the complexometric type of titration in which sample metal ion is transformed into the complex ion by addition of reagent which is known as the ligand, complexing agent, addition of complexing agent to form a complex. That's why it's called as the complexometric type of titration. It is based upon which type of titration? Complexometric type of titration. The complex is formed. Metal ion complex is formed. In this titration, metal ion accept electron and ligand donate it. In a ligand molecule, there is presence of at least one lone pair of electron through which coordinate linkage with metal ion takes place. Ligand molecule usually possess oxygen, means the ligand molecule is, for example, oxygen, then nitrogen or sulfur is a ligand molecule in one or more number in their structure, one oxygen out of 2 3 likewise. Okay, in certain metal ion accept electron means काय, आता मेटल आयन ॲक्सेप्ट करणार इलेक्ट्रॉन आणि लिगांड काय, ऑक्सिजन आहे, नायट्रोजन सगळं कोणीही असो तो डोनेट करणार आहे. आणि इन लिगांड मॉलिक्यूल देर इज अ प्रेझेन्स ऑफ ॲटलिस्ट वन लोन पेअर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन असेल थ्रू विच कोऑर्डिनेट लिंकेज विच मेटल आयन टेक्स प्लेस. त्याच्याने कोऑर्डिनेट लिंकेज फॉर्म होईल मेटल आयन बरोबर. कळालं कशाबरोबर? लिगांड बरोबर मेटल आयनची कॉम्प्लेक्स ही कोऑर्डिनेट लिंकेज फॉर्म होईल. थर्ड काय, लिगांड आर क्लासिफाईड डिपेंडिंग अपॉन देअर नंबर ऑफ साइट्स फॉर अटॅचमेंट, vice versa identical single site, two sites or many sites are there. Disodium meditate is multident ligand which form complex with metal ion by donating lone pair of electron in presence of strong ammonia solution. It is a base. The end point is determined by addition of moderate black. 11 is a indicator is used. The color changes from red to blue. It is the end point is red to blue in this assay. Okay, this is the reaction. Calcium then ligand molecule is a metal complex is formed plus 2 hydrogen. It is the complex form. Ammonia is by addition of ammonia calcium EDTA complex is formed. Okay, it is the complexometric type of titration. Okay, clear? Then it is the standardized procedure for disodium meditate. First you weigh the molecule, granulated zinc 0.8 gram, dissolve by gentle warming, warm the solution 12 ml of hydrochloric acid and 0.8 gram zinc and add the 0.1 ml of bromine water, then boil to remove excess bromine, cool and add sufficient water to produce to 200 ml in a conical flask, not in a beaker. It is in conical flask. Pipette 20 ml of resulting solution, pipette out 20 ml सोल्युशन काढून घ्यायचं. त्याच्यानंतर ते फ्लास्कमधून आणि न्यूट्रलाइज करायचं 2 मोलार सोडियम हायड्रॉक्साईड आणि डायल्यूट करायचं परत ते 20 ml 150 ml वॉटरने. परत ॲड सफिशियंट अमोनिया बफर टाकायचा pH 10चा. डिझॉल्व दी प्रेसिपिटेट फॉर्म झालेला असेल तो डिझॉल्व करायचा प्रेसिपिटेट अँड add excess 5 ml. Then add 50 milligram moderate black 11 mixture. It is the indicator. Last day titrate solution with disodium meditate in a solution disodium meditate in a burette until the solution turns green. It is the end point. This is the standardized procedure for disodium meditate. Second is assay of calcium gluconate. Is accurately weigh 0.5 gram of sample and add in a 50 ml of conical flask. Dissolve the sample in 50 ml of warm water and cool it. Add 5 ml of 0.05 molar magnesium sulfate solution and 10 ml of strong ammonia solution. Mix well and add 0.1 gram of moderate black 11. This solution in conical flask added with standardized disodium EDTA. endpoint is determined by color changes. It is the endpoint of assay is blue. Okay, next is the calculation. Okay, sorry, next is the calculation. In calculation, standardized calculation, same as previous practical way of granular zinc divided by burette reading into factor. You can calculate molarity of standard solution, then calculate the assay percentage purity. It is simple calculation as previous I have taken. Okay, thank you students.